Alright y'all, so I got a 2015 Toyota Highlander. It seems that the purge valve or vacuum valve assembly may have possibly failed. Seems to be a common problem with these Highlanders. They fail and they won't let the gas vapors escape into the engine to get burned off, and they let the vapors from the gas inside the charcoal canister basically condensate in there and turn into fuel and floods out the charcoal canister. I'm hoping that my charcoal canister is okay, but I'm going to start out by replacing this little valve. This is it, nothing serious. Go through the steps here to get that swapped out. Alright, first thing we're going to do is pop this cover off here. Roll it to the side. Here is the valve that we're going to be replacing. You could probably get that out without having to take the air intake out, but I'm going to go ahead and pop it out real quick. I'll pop out these few little plastic rivets, and I think there's 2 bolts holding this in. Mine, I was able to just push on these with a screwdriver and then pop them out. There's several of them. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, about 9 of those. I'm not going to go through all that. I'm just going to take it out. Alright, so now we got the shroud removed. I'm going to take this out real quick. It's 2 bolts, 11 millimeter, I believe. We're going to take these out real quick. Once you get those 2 bolts removed, this will come out. Let's see, air hose attached there. Done with that. Yeah, gives us plenty of room to get in there, work on it. Alright, so first things first, we're gonna undo this clip, little connector here. Take this vacuum hose off and pull this one off. I think, let's see here. This little oh yeah, there's gas in it. I can see it already. A little bit dripped out there. Now we got the old one out. I'm gonna put the new one back in. Pretty straightforward. If I can find my bolt. So bolt this back up. That hose back up, that hose back up, clamp back down. it down there where it was. There we go. Plug this back up. Should hear a little click there. Snap back together. One hose, two hose, plug. Should be it. And we'll put our little plastic air intake back in, put our shroud back in. Hopefully this fixes our problem.